Hello, good afternoon. You're going to watch the story of Frankenstein. We hope you spend a good time.
Dr. Frankenstein is a doctor of medicine. He teaches anatomy, the science of the human body. He works in a laboratory with Fritz. Fritz is his assistant.
Good morning, Fritz. Good morning, Dr. Frankenstein. Let's ask our Can you hand me the book, please? You know the book how to make the mustache.
Dr. Frankenstein has got a secret book. In the book, there are instructions that you must follow to make a monster.
Okay, let's start again with the monster. What are you going to do with me? Don't worry, just relax and let us worry.
Dr. Frankenstein has got a girlfriend. Her name is Elizabeth. She's very pretty. She's falling in love with him.
Oh, I love you so much.
Elizabeth is in love, but the doctor does not love her. He does not want Elizabeth to know a monster. His monster is a secret. Suddenly, the telephone rings.
Hello, this is Dr. Frankenstein Laboratory.
Hello, Fritz. Can I speak with Kathy, please? I'm Elizabeth.
Okay, hold up. Hello, Elizabeth.
Hello. Oh, dear. I love you so much.
Sorry, I am better kissing now.
Okay, happy for you. Bye.
Doctor and Fritz continue working following of the instructions of the book.
Section 1.